Hi. Let me show you how to register with TIOmarkets. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit our website at TIOmarkets.com and click on Register. Step 2. Fill in your personal details. Step 3. Create a password. Step 4. Verify your account. Check your email for the verification link.
Step 5. Log in into your account using your credentials.
Step 6. Click on the menu. Click on Profile. Complete all the fields and submit. That's it. You are now registered with TIOmarkets and ready to start trading. Good luck.